What's up, y'all? I am now moved to Utah, Springville, Utah. So now I'm just doing same thing. So anyway, I got me burping material to post onto Facebook and YouTube's. Yeah, YouTube's worldwide. All right, I'm going to chug this cranberry raspberry. Is it? Oh, it's black raspberry. Sorry. What am I saying? Anyway. Okay, have a raspberry? You can't have a raspberry. Okay? You just can't. You just can't give raspberries, all right? It's not nice. Ugh. They're so bland, dude. These are bland. Like, how can anyone stand club soda? Oh, well. Wow. Yeah. Well, that was good. Yeah. Well. Oh. That was weak. That was a silent but deadly one. Have you ever done a silent but deadly burp? It just smells like puke right into someone's face. I did when I was a kid. It did not make my dad happy. I don't know why I did that. It was messed up. He's like, oh, it can make me want to puke. It's like, so funny. No, you would have gotten beat if it weren't about your father being so nice. Yeah, but that's just the way it is. Oh, snap. Woo! Just infinite burps, man, all day. I gotta go get my eggs. All right. Anyway, how's y'all doing? I'm doing well. Don't forget to go to the side of the video or where the title is and subscribe. All right? Subscribe. And click the bell. All right? I got to remind you every time. Ring that bell so you can know when I make these videos. I promise you, you will not reject the notification. Do not reject me. You must give in. Whoa, I'm gonna puke, dude. If I drink any more of this. Maybe not. Wow. Well, that was really loud. Yeah, I'm proud. I'm freaking proud of the loud. Loud up in my brain. Loud up in the rain. And coming down, it is insane. I keep it rhythmic, man. Oh, yeah, I'm spitting flames. Have you heard this freaking rhythmic rhyming game? No, you haven't, man. And I'm going insane, flowing in vain, flowing with veins, and fight with fates. Yeah, okay, anyway. Come on, man, just burp. Fine, I'll burp. I almost finished the whole thing. This thing's almost gone, dude. It's crazy. Whoa. Wow. I told you I would almost puke. Whew. Now that was close. Do not want to ruin my laptop now, do I? Oh. Come on, be better than that. Well, I'm really full right now, man. Holy crap. And now, I'm just going to talk about my life. So what's going on now? This is all gone. Woo! Now that's like that one guy that chugs everything. Like that one guy, Badlands chugs. I just finished this whole thing without even trying, dude. And I could freaking just kill this thing like nothing. Man, I didn't know I could kill that much water or think that my body subconsciously needed it. Oh. Maybe I needed it. Maybe the other world is telling me to drink all this water because water is alkaline for our bodies. An alkaline state is what they don't want us to be. They want us insane. They put the thing. Oh! Once you, dude, this is person that got their shot for the vaccine, whatever, for COVID, and they were like, my tongue, it's moving on its own. The spirits are controlling me. I don't even know what to say about that, man. I was just like, okay. Anyway, it was freaking insane, man. It was just like her tongue was, I can't do it. It was just freaking spazzing out. And she was like, it was crazy. It was crazy. Yeah. All the time talking like this. It's crazy. Keep praying, okay? Whoa, I don't know what I just said there. I said, keep praying, okay? Because this world needs prayers. And I'm done burping. I'm freaking full. And that is not the reason why I am burping. I did this because I mindlessly needed water. I drank the whole thing. It doesn't really enhance my burps. I'm telling you. It kind of does, but you got to do it. You got to do it again. I'll do it again. Okay, bye. You don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And just so y'all know, I am limited on equipment. Don't know what to say. I'm limited on equipment. I'm lit up about all of this, okay? I don't know what I'm saying, but I feel lit about everything right now. Like, I drank this whole thing, whatever, okay? I just, I want to make music. I can't, I'm working on my abilities to be the best I can be, reading everything, okay? Just stay tuned because I'm going to have some books, and y'all are going to want to read them because they're awesome. And I just got to perfect them, and it's coming on its way. So I've been doing a lot of side work, and I'm done burping. I am so full right now. Not really, actually. Dude, I feel like goodbye. Feel like goodbye? Okay. Goodbye. Okay. Anyway, I got my eggs cooking, so I'm going to go. I'm just going to leave it at that. Let you guys have a great day.